somebody bring this old compressor to our workplace. They need a grill. So we are at the starting the process to convert this compressor to a grill. Roberto putting the cylinder at the top. Here we are with the old compressor. Look like it's becoming true. Okay, it's almost done. I will show you the last part. Okay, here we are with the old compressor. It's becoming a new grill, as you can see. Now we have two options. To use this stuff inside the bag, that I forget the name, or to use propane gas with this other instrument or accessory. Okay, I will show you the end of this project very soon. Okay, here we are with a new grill. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, it's ready to use. Let's see how the little plate looks like. A plate like this one will be in each object that we will repair or restore. Thank you for to be with us in this presentation.